applying a skin tone eyeshadow to my crease area with a blending brush because we want that color to be diffused and not too concentrated. Now I'm taking a blending brush because we want this color to be a little more concentrated, and I'm going in with a medium dark brown in the crease and windshield wiper motions back and forth. Now we're taking a deep brown color and going in the outer V with it and basically covering the outer 1/4 of the eyelid. Along with the crease area, we're using a small bullet brush for this so the color stays concentrated. If we used a large brush to do this step, the color would go everywhere and look messy. Next, we're taking the same crease brush we used 2 steps ago and blending that deep brown a little. Now, this is the most important step in the eye makeup. We're going to take our largest blending brush that we haven't used yet, and we're going to blend at the edge of where that deep brown color ends. And we're going to just go back and forth to create that beautiful gradient. Now I'm taking this yellow gold color from the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just applying it with my finger because it is a cream eyeshadow, and I found that this texture just does not apply with a brush. Gold eyeshadows are my absolute favorite color. Now we're taking this beautiful orange undertone brown eyeshadow from the same palette. I love this color. And we're applying it on our lower lash line with a pencil brush. Now we're going to pull the whole eye makeup look together by taking a light cream color with a standard eyeshadow brush and applying it under the eyebrow. Now we're going to go in with my favorite black eye pencil. First, we're going to just apply it to the waterline. And then we're going to take our pencil brush and blend that out so that you're blending between the lash line and the waterline and diffusing that black color. After you're done blending that out, we're going to go in with the eye pencil and the waterline again and reapply it since we lost that sharp black look when we blended it. Now I am taking my absolutely favorite L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara that I have been using for over 10 years. Now we're going in with this beautiful glowy dark peach blush from MAC, and we're applying this angled upwards to give a nice sculpted look to the cheeks. Next, we're taking this beautiful gold glowy highlighter and taking a fan brush and applying it to the tops of our cheekbones. And I also like to apply a little bit between the eyebrow and the hairline. One of my personal makeup secrets that I don't see anybody else really doing is taking a Q-tip, coating it in Vaseline, and using that to inversely lip line my lips. So I'm basically shaping my lips from the inside out, and in that process I'm removing any foundation that's on my lips from doing my face makeup, and then I'm prepping my lips for my lip liner and lipstick to look sharper. Now we're using a dark pink lip liner to line the lips and my favorite peach lipstick. And after this lipstick, we're going to finish off the look with one of the best makeup setting sprays on the market, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Makeup Setting Spray.